In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Microsoft Whiteboard. Templates give you a head start for common activities like brainstorming, planning, retrospectives, and problem solving, so you don't have to begin with an empty canvas. We'll walk through opening the gallery, choosing the right layout, and customizing it so it fits your session perfectly. Start by opening Microsoft Whiteboard on your device. You can use the Windows or iOS app, Surface Hub, or Whiteboard inside Microsoft Teams. Look for the Create button in the toolbar. It often shows as a plus icon. Select it, then choose Templates. That opens the template gallery, where you'll find ready-made boards designed by scenario. If you don't immediately see the Templates option, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. The toolbar may appear along the bottom or the left, depending on your device. Browse the gallery to explore categories such as brainstorming, project planning, problem solving, strategy, workshops, design and research, learning activities, and games and retrospectives. Hover over a template to see a quick description of what it's for, which helps you match the layout to your goal. For example, affinity mapping versus sprint planning. When you've found one you like, click and drag it onto the canvas, or tap to insert on touch devices. You can place it anywhere, and you can always move or resize it later. Once inserted, the template structure appears. Grids, sections, example text areas, maybe a table or sticky note clusters. Click any text field or sticky note to replace the placeholder content with your own. Add ink to sketch ideas, drop in shapes and images for context, or create more sticky notes as your team contributes. Everything behaves like normal whiteboard content, so you can resize, rotate, or move parts around freely. If you need more space, duplicate a section and continue the pattern. Color-coding sticky notes, renaming headings, and tidying with align and snap can make the board easier to read. Templates are all about speed and clarity. Instead of designing from scratch, you start with a proven structure and spend your energy on the discussion. Keep in mind that template availability can vary by platform. The web version may not show all options yet. If templates aren't available, try the Windows or iOS app, or open your board from Teams in the desktop app. That's it. Open the gallery, pick the layout that matches your objective, and tailor it to your workflow. With templates, your next planning session, retro or ideation workshop can be up and running in seconds.